Hello everybody, this is Yile, and in this video I am going to demonstrate what different vowel sounds at different pitches sound like when they're played together. So this is a way of letting you hear what it sounds like when there's different people coming together to do something like vocal toning. It's like a sound meditation. So when people come together with their own voices and different pitches and different qualities, different timbres, it can create a really beautiful harmonic sound, harmonics even within those blending of different frequencies. And the idea is basically it's an invitation for people who've never tried it before to have a go, to join in with others, especially to experience it. And that you don't have to be pitch perfect. You don't have to sound like an amazing opera singer. You just sound any vowel sound continuous, and that's it. Intoning is basically sounding of a vowel on the out breath. So for example, you breathe in and create a vowel sound out, for example, ah. So ah, that's it. And that's all intoning is. But when you combine that with one other person, two other people, that can sound pretty amazing. And I'm going to demonstrate it using GarageBand. So what I've done here is recording. So I've been in the studio recording some more tracks, and this is actually a background track that I'm going to be using for other tracks I'm going to be creating. Watch this space for that. But I thought I'd share it because it just demonstrates that about the pitch, like letting go of being pitch perfect. So I will play each track. So for example, I'll just turn it up a bit. So that's an oo. That is me. I sound like a monotone drone. Okay, next one. So that one I'm doing E. So that's a lower tone. What's this one? So that's oh. So that's a different vowel, different tone. And notice it's not toning is not. It's very different to singing. Some singers may have that natural vibrato, the warbling of the voice, but this is literally breathing in, sounding out. Breathing in, sounding out. I mean, on some of these, I have started to slide some vowels, like mix the vowels up. Like this one. See? I'm wobbling there. A little bit of harmonics or overtones for those that know what that is. I'll just cycle through these just so you can hear. That's the wobbly ooh. So I've done a lot of these layers. Lower, higher. So what do they sound like when they're all together? So that's that one person, two people, three people. That's already sounding quite different. 5 people. And if you're in a group, just notice that you will have different durations and breathing capacities. So not all starting and finishing at the same time. So that's what it sounds like when there's more. So I'll just undo that. So what you'll start to hear when all these voices are combined are what known as harmonics, when you blend different frequencies together. And it sounds like a whistling on top of the toning, and it does sometimes sound like a melody, and those are called overtones or harmonics. So I've done a demonstration here of, I think there's about 26 layers. So what can you co-create with others with the toning of the vowels? What fun can you have? What harmonics can you co-create when you come together and tone together? That's it for this video. Please comment and like and share. Bye.